Om Gururam Namaste. Good morning, all of you. My dear 5th class students, today discuss about capacity. See here from your course book, page number 29. See what I am saying, listen carefully. See here from your activity book. From your activity book, write down, note down the quantity of liquid in each test tube. See first one, observe first test tube here, some of the quantity liquid, some of the quantity of liquid given in the test tube. So here what is this 5 ml after 6, 7, 8, 9 ml. So you can write here 9 ml. First one is 9 ml. ml means milliliter beta. 9 ml, like this only. Everybody write down 9 ml. Now you can observe second one. So here 0, 5 ml, 10 ml, 15 ml. You can count 15 after. See 15 after 16, 17, 18, 19 ml. Second one is 19 ml. Second quantity is 19 ml. Now next one, fifteen point 15 of ml. Now next one, this is also see 10 of ml, 10 whole 1/2. So we have to take now last one is now next 15 also 15 of ml. See now next one, determine which choice best answer each question. See second bit. Determine which choice best answer each question. See here, this is the length of key, 50 milliliters, 50 kilometers, 50 centimeters. So 50 centimeters is correct. So 50 centimeter underline. Now next, height of a ball, 8 kilometers, 8 centimeters, 8 meters. So that is 80 centimeter is correct. Now next, weight of elephant. See here, 30 kilograms, 300 kilograms, 3000 kilograms. I think 300 kilograms is correct. Now next, weight of computer. So keyboard, mouse, monitor and hard disk. So A 14 tons, B 14 kilograms, C 14 grams. Now I think 14 kilograms. Now next, capacity of Fortune oil. See here, 1 milliliter, 1 liter, 1 centiliter. I think 1 liter. So underline everybody. Now capacity of a container water. See here, 1 liter, 10 liters, 500 liters. So 500 liters is correct. Underline. See Nana, now next workbook, metric measures, page number 26. Please everybody take and open page number 26, volume 1. See here. Now here write the reading shown by the pointer on each scale. Write the reading shown by the pointer on each scale. See here, this is the first figure. See, where is located point C? 8 after how many divisions we have to take? 8 after count. 1, 2, 3, 4 means 8.4 centimeter. First one is 8.4 centimeter means 8 centimeter 4 millimeter. See here, first one is 8.4 centimeter. It can be written as, so point before number we have to take as centimeter. 8 centimeter, point after number means digit 4 millimeters. This is, so you can write 8.4 centimeter. It can be written as 8 centimeter and 4 millimeter. Now next second one is, so where is pointer on 16 point of, so count down. See, count how many digits are there? 5, 6, 7 means 16.7 centimeter. It can be written as 16 centimeter and 7 millimeter. 16.7 centimeter, that is equals to 16 centimeter 7 millimeter. Now next third one. See, where is pointer at present 9.5 centimeter. 9.5 centimeter, that is equals to 9 centimeter and 5 millimeter. See, write down everybody. 9.5 centimeter, that is equals to 9 centimeter, so 5 millimeter. Now next bit, mark the pointer on each scale to show the corresponding reading. Listen carefully. See here. Mark the pointer on each scale to show the corresponding reading. See here, first one 6 centimeter 9 millimeter means you have to take 0 to 6 centimeter. After how many digits you have to take? 9 divisions. You have to take 9 divisions means 6.9 centimeter. So 0 to 6 after you have to count 9 divisions. So 6 after here. Now next second one is 18 centimeter 1 millimeter. 18 centimeter 1 millimeter means 18 after you can count only one division means 18.1 centimeter. Where is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 after you can count only one division. So here keep the point. Yeah. 18.1 second figure beta. Now next 15 centimeter 8 millimeter. 15 centimeter 8 millimeter. So it can be written as 15.8 centimeter. So you can count 15 after 8 divisions. See here. 15. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 after 8 divisions. 5, 6, 7. Now next measure the length of each object. Page number 27. See here, listen carefully, look at the blackboard. What I am saying, try to understand. Measure the length of each object. See here, first one, this is the scale. So we have to start from 4 centimeter to 13 centimeter. So how many centimeter you can find out? 4 to 5, 1 centimeter. 5 to 6, 2 centimeter. 6 to 7, 3 centimeter. 7 to 8, 4 centimeter. 8 to 9, 5 centimeter. 9 to 10, 6 centimeter. 10 to 11, 7 centimeter. 11 to 12, 8 centimeter. 12 to 9, 9 centimeter. Once count 4. So 4 to 5, 1 centimeter, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 centimeter. You can write here 9 centimeter. Now next, second one, first row, second one, see you can count. So you can start from 2 centimeter, means you can count from 1, 2, 2, 3, 1 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 centimeter beta. Now next, so second row, first one, comb. See here, start from 1 centimeter to 12 centimeters. You can count from 2 centimeter, 1 to 2, 1 centimeter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 centimeter beta. Now next one, see here, pin. You can start, see here from 5 centimeter to 10 centimeter. How many? 5 to 6, 1 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeter. You can write 5 centimeter. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 centimeter. Next, third row, second one. See here, in this case, start from 8 to 11. See how many centimeters? Better 3 centimeter. Next, 0 to here 8.5 means 8 centimeter, 5 millimeter. Now this is 1 to 12 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 centimeter. Next 4 to 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeter beta. Next 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimeter. See here, now next one, choose the best unit of measurement. See, first one is swimming pool. So So choose the best unit of measurement for swimming pool means centimeter, meter, feet. So that is meter. Take it. Now next comb, centimeter. Now next boy walking means you have to take meters. Next building, feet. Now next here pin means inches. Here pencil means inches. Now next here house, yards. Next giraffe, inches, meter, feet. So feet. See here swimming pool, best unit is meter. Next comb, best unit is centimeter. Here next one, second row, first one. Boy walking, see here meter. Next building, we have to take feet. So next we have to take inches. Next pencil, centimeter beta. Pencil, see here 3 feet, 3 yards, 3 inches. Means we have to take 3 inches. Now next building, yards. Next giraffe, inches, meter, feet beta. Now next convert the following as directed. See here, this is very important topic. Listen carefully. Convert the following as directed. See here, first one, 477 centimeter. (477 centimeter) means it can be written as 4 centimeter see here 477 centimeter. It can be written as meter and centimeter. So in it 4 meter and 77 centimeter. See in the given number from right to left side, first two digits goes to centimeters, the remaining digit is goes to meter. See here 4 meter 77 centimeter. Now next here second one 933 centimeters is equals to 9 meter 33 centimeter. Now next third one 15,545 meter, that is equals to dash kilometer dash meter. So in it from right to left side, first 3 digits goes to meters, the remaining digits goes to kilometer. So here 15 kilometer 545 meter beta. Now next fourth one 1837 meter, that is equals to dash kilometer dash meter. See here 837 means from left to right to left side, first three digits goes to meters, the remaining digit is goes to kilometer. Means 837. This is meter. So remaining 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer 837 meter. Now next fifth one 340 centimeter, that is equals to dash meter dash centimeter. So in it from right to left side, first two places goes to centimeter means 40. Next remaining meters means 3 meter 40 centimeter. 3 meter 40 centimeter. Now next sixth one 957 centimeters, that is equals to 9 meter 57 centimeter. Next seventh one 714 millimeter. See here beta, 714 millimeter, that is equals to dash centimeter and dash millimeter. See, listen carefully, already I explained. Okay, listen carefully. Millimeter is converted into centimeter. Means 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter beta. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. Here millimeter is converted into centimeter. Means smaller units to bigger units. So I have to take division by 10 because 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. Yes, I am right? Kannari. See here. Millimeter is converted to centimeter. Means the smaller unit is converted into bigger unit. So we have to take division by 10 because 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. See, now given problem here 714 millimeter is converted into centimeter and millimeter. Centimeter and millimeter. See here by 10, 714 by 10, you can get 17.1.4. See here how it is possible. Listen carefully. Any number means 714 is divided by 10. The point to move to the left side one place. See here, where is the point? So here. Then this point is moved towards to left side only one digit. So 71.4. You can write point before number. We have to take as centimeter. Point after number we have to take as millimeter. Then here 71 centimeter and 4 millimeter. Did you understand? Now next, eighth one, same 278 millimeter, that is equals to dash centimeter dash millimeter. Millimeter is converted into centimeter and millimeter means so the smaller unit is converted into bigger unit. Then we have to take divided by 10 because 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. Means 278 divided by 10. So 27.8. In it 27 centimeter and 8 millimeter. Then you can write 27 centimeter 8 millimeter. Now next, see here, ninth one, 648 millimeter, that is equals to dash centimeter dash millimeter. See here, 648 millimeter is converted into centimeter and millimeter. The smaller unit is converted into bigger unit. You have to take division. See here, 448 divided by 10, you can get 64.8. Now here 64 centimeter 8 millimeter. Now next here next one 4.5 means 4 whole 1 by 2, 4.5 centimeter. So you can write that is equals to millimeter. See here, this is also very important. 4 centimeter. Centimeter is converted into millimeter means bigger unit is converted into smaller unit. Then we have to take multiplication by 10 because 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. See here, 4.5 means 4 into 10. 4 10s are 40 plus half means 5. You can get 45 millimeter. Write down here 45 millimeter. Now next 11th one, 3 feet. 3 feet is equals to dash inches. See here, 1 foot is equals to 12 inches. 1 foot is equals to 12 inches. 3 feet is equals to how many inches means so you can multiply 12 into 3. You can get 12 3s are 36. 36 inches. Now next 12th one. 12th one 24 inches is equals to dash feet. See here 1 feet, 1 foot is equals to 12 inches. Means 24 inches is equals to how many feet? Means 24 divided by 12. 24 divided by 12. 12 ones are 12 twos are. You can get 2 feet. 2 feet. Now next 13th one. 9 feet 10 inches is equals to dash inches. Listen carefully. See here. 1 foot is equals to 12 inches. Here 9 foot means 9 into 12. 9 into 12 you can get what beta? 108. Plus remaining how many inches are there? 10 inches. Plus 10. You can get 118 inches. Here 118 inches. Now next 15 feet 6 inches. See here 1 foot is equals to 12 inches means here 15 into 12. 15 into 12. 12 5 are 60. 0 taking carrying 6. 12 ones are 12. 12 plus 6. Into 12. 2 5 are 10, carrying 1, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. 1 5 are 5, 1 1s are 1. See here 0. 3 5 plus 3 8. 180. So 180 inches plus 80 inches. Plus 80 inches you can get 186 inches. 186 inches. Now next 15th one. Listen carefully. 13 feet is equals to dash yards dash feet. See here, thirteen is divided by 3. So here 3 4s are 12. 3 minus 2 1.0. 3 3s are 9. Next 10 minus 1 1 0. 3 3s are 9. So 4.333. 4.333 means here 4 yards. 333 means 333. It can be written as 3333 is repeated. Approximately you can write 4. So approximately 4 feet. Now next 16th one, 200 inches. 250 inches, that is equals to dash feet dash inches. See here, 250 convert into feet means divided by 12. See here, 12 2s are 24. 5 minus 4 1. 2 minus 2 0. Twelve 2s are 24. So 24 subtracted from 25, you can get 1. 5 minus 4 1. Bring down 0. See here, where it is possible 12. 12 ones are 12. See, listen carefully. 12 ones are 12. 12 2s are 24. Possible 12 ones are 12? Not possible. So 12 zeros are 0. Why? So to have bring down dividend, 0 is bring down to the remainder. So we can get 10. So 10 is less than 12. So we have to take 12 zeros are 0. 10 minus 0, you can get 10. Then 10 is less than 12. So we have to keep point in the quotient. Write 0 after 10. Now next, read 12 table. Where it is possible, read. Everybody read. See here, 12 8s are 96. 12 9s are 108. 12 7s are 84. See here, 12 7s are 84. 12 8s are 96. 12 9s are 108. In it, 12 8s are 96 is possible. So you can write 12 8s are 96. Then take borrowing here 10. 10 minus 6 4. 9 minus 9 0. You can last one here 0. Now next, already I have to keep point in the quotient. Then you can write 0 after 4. Next, 12 3s are 36. Then you can get 4. Now 20.833333 like that only. So here 20 is goes to feet, 20 feet, and 8333 dash 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 means 8. 33 approximately you can write, instead of 33 you can write 4 means 84 inches. Actually you can write 83 inches means, but here 3 is repeated more times. So instead of 333 means you have to take 4, that is 84 inches. So 250 inches, that is equals to 20 feet and 84 inches. See here, everybody beta, listen carefully what I am saying. So from your course book, from your activity book and from your workbook. So everybody practice shapes and angles to metric measures. Everybody practice course book, activity book and also workbook. So everybody practice shapes and angles to metric measures for your FS. Thank you everybody.